Right now in Atlanta, a federal judge is hearing evidence that could impact the balance of power in Congress.
Yeah, this is a big one. 11 Alive's John Sherrick has a closer look at the trial currently underway and how it could end with another Georgia Democrat in the U.S. House.
Here in Austell and Powder Springs and other areas of majority black southwest Cobb County, voters keep asking, why did the state legislature suddenly 2 years ago declare that their neighborhoods and their voting precincts would now be part of Marjorie Taylor Greene's congressional district, where they are a voting minority? Why, they've been asking, couldn't they stay in David Scott's congressional district?
It is heavily black and brown, and I am totally confused to be a part of District 14 with Marjorie Taylor Greene.
There's a population of people that aren't represented.
So now a federal judge in Atlanta will weigh in. He'll decide whether state legislators, who are mostly Republican, must redraw Georgia's congressional districts to make sure that minority voters have a chance for the representation of their choice, as guaranteed by the Federal Voting Rights Act for the past 58 years. If that's what the judge rules, then that could result in an additional Georgia Democrat being elected to the U.S. House, where the GOP now holds a narrow majority.
So what is being alleged here?
Emory University political science professor Andra Gillespie
is that these district lines were drawn with race as the primary motivation, and it was done to try to prevent blacks from being able to maximize their representation in Congress.
But Republican leaders at the state capitol insist they were only trying to maximize Republican power in Congress, which is perfectly legal.
It's those kinds of moves to shift voters around with the hopes of maximizing Republican representation that blacks are arguing actually diminishes their ability to have a reasonable say in the electoral process.
And Gillespie says that whatever the judge in Atlanta decides will likely be appealed. And the case and the fate of voters in southwest Cobb County and across the rest of the state may end up before the U.S. Supreme Court for a final ruling. In Atlanta, John Sherrick, 11 Alive News.
Certainly a major decision that we will keep following.